Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from HR Recruitment Jobs in Dubai UAE from Facebook page and YouTube page. So friends, now I am going to show how you can search job and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So friends, now this time I am share with you today's latest job. So friends, this is new and updated job, assistant manager required in Dubai. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Assistant manager required in Dubai. Responsibilities: managing the recruitment and selection process by filtering the CVs, interview applicants about their experience, education and skills, developing and implementing HR strategies and initiative aligned with the overall business strategy, understanding of labor laws and disciplinary procedure, assist in the implementation and follow up on decision and requests as directed by the manager, assisting the manager in organizing, planning and implementing strategy, participate in various projects, impress and execute any and all other duties as required or assigned, coordinate project management activities, resources, equipment and information. Requirements: experience with recruiting and performance evaluation process, excellent communication skills, interpersonal and negotiation and conflict resolution skills, strong analytical and problem solving skills, ability to prioritize tasks and delegate them when appropriate, outstanding organizational and time management skills, proficient in Microsoft Office, Outlook, Word, Excel and PowerPoint, Adobe Acrobat and social media web platforms, a proactive approach to problem solving with strong decision making skills. Location: Ajman, qualification bachelor degree, experience 3 to 8 years, job type full time. So friends, these are the details and requirement for the job. So assistant manager required in Ajman. So friends, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience, minimum 3 to 8 years experience, and you can eligible for the job, and you can easily apply and send your updated CV by use this link. This link also shown in the job description. So friends, salary and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So friends, I hope you understand. Friends, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our Facebook page and you can also visit our website. Daily basis job update on website and many other categories jobs available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply for any job. So friends, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit. So friends, I hope you understand these step and process. So friends, thank you so much for your attention and interest. Allah Hafiz.